Variations in temperature. Manston was warmest, if you can call 13 warm, Manston in Kent, but Aviemore was only about 4 degrees, and the sunniest place, there's only 45 minutes of sunshine, was Skegness. Now this is a fairly recent satellite picture, and if you imagine this white area as a fairly thin layer of cloud, like a piece of paper, and some of the mountains in the country as drawing pins, some will stick through them. That's exactly what happened up in the Cairngorms today, such that you could walk through a layer of cloud. Above about 3,000 feet, the sun was shining. It reached about 8.5 degrees. Beautiful. Pity you can't rely on it, but you can't because the top of the cloud is all over the place. Now for tonight, there's still that layer with us. There'll be a few breaks. Frost and fog's a possibility around parts of Scotland, and drops of rain or drizzle, yes, they'll be around in the southeastern quadrant of the country. Most places will be well above zero, but as I say, there is just a chance of -1 here and there in the glens of Scotland. Wednesday still sees that anticyclone centred over us, 1,040 millibars, and that means probably very little change in the general weather. Some brighter spells in the west, maybe, of England and Wales, and maybe in the southeast of Scotland, and again, drops of rain or drizzle, more likely, I suppose, in the morning. Temperatures much the same as they have been today, but they won't necessarily feel the same. Though most places will have a light wind, it's a fairly stiff wind down through the English Channel in particular, which means with wind chill, it'll feel more or less like 2 to 4 degrees. The Channel Isles are included in that as well. Now moving ahead to Thursday, high pressure's with us, maybe drifted away. We might be drawing in slightly drier air, and this here could be a hint of what's to come for the weekend, maybe a start of the breakdown, but can't be sure about that. So for Thursday then, maybe some brighter weather breaking out almost everywhere, a little frost and fog at night, and for Friday, just the hint of this cloud starting to build, more breaks appearing in the cloud. Then for the earlier part of the weekend, we'll see showers start to break out in the southwest, and it'll become slightly more breezy. But for the next few days, very little change. Good night.